In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track order on Alibaba. We'll start from a web browser and walk through exactly where to find your order status so you can follow your shipment with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Alibaba. From the results page, select the official Alibaba link to go to the home page. You can also type the address directly if you prefer. Once you're on the site, log into your account. Make sure you're signing in to the buyer account you used to place the order, since orders are tied to that profile. If you use two-step verification, complete that for a secure sign-in. After logging in, look to the upper right of the page and click the Orders button. Depending on your view, it may appear as My Orders. This takes you to your Order Management dashboard, which is where tracking details and statuses live. On the Orders page, you'll see your purchases organized into helpful categories. The All tab shows every order at a glance. Confirming means the seller is reviewing your order details or confirming availability. This is normal right after you place an order. Unpaid indicates an order was created, but payment hasn't been completed. Once payment is finished, the status will move forward automatically. Preparing to ship appears after payment when the seller is packing and arranging the shipment. This phase can take a little time, especially for custom or bulk orders. Delivering is where most tracking happens. Here, you'll typically see the tracking number, the courier name, and a progress bar or list of milestones. Many orders also show an estimated delivery window. If the tracking seems slow to update, give it some time. Carriers often need several hours after pickup to sync data. Refunds and after sales is the place to check if you've requested a refund, opened a dispute, or need warranty support. You can monitor the case status and any seller responses here. Completed and in review shows orders that were delivered and finalized. From this view, you can confirm receipt, download documents if available, and leave a review to help other buyers. A couple of quick tips to make tracking easier. Use the search field on the orders page to find a specific order by product name or order number, and apply date filters if you have many purchases. If a tracking link opens a carrier's website, remember that international shipments may have multiple checkpoints and occasional handoffs between logistics partners. That's it. Now you know exactly where to go on Alibaba to track your order from purchase to delivery.